Good morning, y'all. It is your boy Eddie back again with another video, and I appreciate you guys for showing so much love on the last video. All you guys gave me your opinions and commented, and I appreciate that for real. But we're starting our morning here, or afternoon I should say, at Fantasy Motorsports. We're here at Fantasy Motorsports because they're gonna help me figure out the wheel width and size that I need, the wheel measurements that I need for my car. So yeah, we about to get that. But if you guys are all having a beautiful morning and day, hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys are not yet subscribed, and be part of the InZaNe family. But let's go. So unfortunately, guys, I had to come back home because he didn't have many people at his shop. And damn, bro, look at my headlight. It looks so bad. Let me get this fixed ASAP, because fuck. Today, guys, we are headed back to the shop where we got the car from. They're gonna touch it up a little bit, do a couple things that they forgot to do, and you know, just kind of get your boy right real quick. So that's where I'm gonna head right now. I'm gonna meet up with the boy Chris because I might have to leave the car there, and he is gonna be my ride back. So shout out to my boy Chris. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. So yeah, let's go get to it. Oh wow, look at the boy Chris's Corolla. We right here, you know, got the boy IC right here. IC has the boy Chris right there with the boy with the homie. So I'm right here, and we're basically gonna drop off the car, and it's gonna get all retouched. All those holes are gonna get covered up with silicone because, bro, I could already see rust. They're gonna probably take care of the detail and everything because he said he can feel the whole paint covered in overspray. So I don't know how they're gonna do with that, but yeah, bro. I mean, it's all getting taken care of. You know, the boy's doing it right. Everything's good. We're chilling. And yeah, we're just here to get the car right. Bye bye. Bye bye. No, you're good. You're good. All right, so the car is now officially dropped off. The boy's gonna take care of it. The paint that it had, it's gonna get covered. Because I didn't tell you guys that the car was covered in overspray, and I don't know how it got covered in overspray. He don't know how, but it's gonna get taken care of. That's why it was dropped off. Getting a couple more tweaks here and there just to really finish it off, and it should be ready by Friday, hopefully. No promises, but yeah, guys, I had to come drop it off just so they can get, you know, this little day spa beauty care routine. But you know, we're in the Corolla now. We're in the twin turbo Corolla. We got a bridge seat for what? Me.
And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on. If you want to hear me two-step this 2JZ Corolla, just let me know.
My boy Chris dipping out. Let's see the launch. Let's see the launch. Just don't hit my dad's truck, but you're good. Is that him right there? Yeah. Ready? Yeah, go. The boy Chris dipping out. What is up, guys? Happy New Year's to all you guys, aka my birthday. Turned 23, so this is my Jordan year, 23. Just kind of wanted to update you guys because I haven't uploaded, but I'm gonna upload today. This is right now, and just kind of let you guys know what's up with the car, and why it got dropped off at the shop. It got dropped off at the shop because of just little tweaks that it needed. Like you guys saw the cut when we looked under the kit. You guys saw that cut. They're fixing that. They're fixing some holes that they need to cover up. I'm getting my fender liners back put in because they weren't put back in, and just kind of getting the bolts on the wide body kit just like nice and firm, you know, just so bolts don't come out or just anything's loose. So he just kind of wanted to touch it up, make it a little bit more perfection before I get it back. I was supposed to get it back last Friday. Well, I was hoping. There was no promises, you know, being made, but it is now Monday and I still haven't got it. So playing the waiting game again, patiently waiting till we get the car back when it's all nice and cleaned up, and then I can hopefully go to the tire shop and get the wheel spec'd and finally order my wheels, because I still don't really know the wheel specs for the kit, so I'm still kind of left with the, I don't know. I know the wheels I want, and I guess I should just tell you guys because I don't know if I'm gonna really get them or not, but they're the Workmeisters. The Workmeisters, I think the 3-piece. I wanted them in all white with the chrome lip. I just think that would look beautiful on my car with the whole black. It would give it that nice race stance look. Like I just keep that nice race look that I want. I was trying to get those in, but the production, well, the wait time on those is like 8 to 10 months, and I don't know if I could wait 8 to 10 months for some wheels, bro. Like I just don't know. I'm looking for other wheels right now, just trying to see what's up, or if I can find some Workmeisters, get like a good deal on them with the right specs. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I definitely do want to make this year a banger. I mean, 2021 was cool, but I think 2022 is gonna be way more lit, way more insane. The group I'm in, Camry Kings, bro, we're growing tremendously, rapidly. Like, we have a New York chapter where it first started, then we got the Cali chapter, we got a Texas chapter, and I think now we have a Miami chapter, Florida, which is crazy, bro. We're just branching out everywhere. Soon we're gonna be in Canada and all this and that, bro. It's just getting so big and crazy that it's so dope that I'm a part of something like that, and I get to share with you guys. And maybe you guys will get ideas off other builds, you know? We don't know. Yeah, guys, so much more to come this year. I hope you guys all stick around. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys hit that subscribe button and join the family. And merch, I will try to get more merch out this year. 2022 is definitely what I want to do. I do want to do a giveaway this year, and I definitely, the goal is to maybe hit 5K subscribers. Hey, that sounds way out of like what the fuck, but you never know. You just never know. That's the thing, you just never know. So I hope you guys are all having a happy new year. Hope you guys are all having a beautiful, blessed day / night, wherever you guys are. I appreciate you guys so much, for real, for real. You guys motivate me every single day, and I just can't wait. Like, I just can't wait to show you guys more. And yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.